Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host Eric Smith, and today I'd like to show you how to replace the butterfly bracket in a Coleman or Fleetwood lift arm. So today I'm working on lift arms. You can see this lift arm, bottom bracket and the pulley is rusted and it's not going to pass. So we'll go ahead and replace this. To do so, put the lift arm on its face and we're going to drill the 4 rivets out from the bottom. So I've got a drill bit that's just slightly larger than the inside of the rivet head, and I'll put drill right down through them. Okay, now we'll remove the rusted butterfly bracket. Slide it right out from the bottom. Try to work it open a little bit. And this is why I have a hammer on the table. And there it went. Butterfly pulley bracket. Pulley. Pin and clip. This is how you assemble the butterfly bracket. Pulley goes in the center. Pulley pin goes inside, and cotter pin goes through the opposite side of the pulley pin. And then use a pair of needle nose pliers to wrap the pin around the shaft, and that'll do it. Install the butterfly bracket into the bottom of the lift arm. Proper orientation is the U channel faces the bottom and this top reinforcement bracket faces up. Line up the holes, flip it back over on its face, and install the rivets. I'll add links in the description below for the bracket part number and the rivets that I'm using. I'm going to go ahead and lubricate the other pulleys, make sure the slide action is correct. So I'm going to grasp the middle stage here, and then hold the bottom, expand it, collapse the stages just a little bit, get some spray lubricant, and juice each one of the pulleys, except for the brand new one. And slide her back together. And make sure the action is completely smooth in both directions. And it's that easy. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. You can find this product and many more Coleman Fleetwood items at our web store at colemanpopupparts.com. I'll see you at the campground.